Welcome to War India News Hour. Why many feel difficulty in quantifying the investment into social media. Leading technology companies says social media platforms can be used for marketing to listen, analyze, publish and engage across networks. Align your marketing, customer service and sales efforts on social media, that is strengthening customer relationships. There is running social media campaigns, then there is building real, meaningful relationships with your customers. With social studios, social listening and analytics tools, you can discover what consumers have to say about your company, products and the competition. With this information, you can run more effective social media marketing campaigns by driving the conversations. And not only that, you can use this information to make informed decisions about future product offerings. There is no idea how far this statement is true. However, one can manage their social strategy from any device. Transform customer experiences by connecting social to the customer success platform for a unified view of every customer. Sales and service teams can engage with fans and followers quickly and more efficiently on the customer's channel of choice. Many say that social media marketing plays a critical role in overall marketing success in 2021, and social media analytics tools are a critical source of strategic marketing information. With so much consumer data being posted on social media every day, social listening tools have become a critical component in audience analysis, competitive research, and product research. A question arises: do you have a way to quantify the kind of ROI you are bringing in with each campaign or post on different social media channels? The answer is very confusing. No idea who clicks and who likes. Seems all we are paying for is increasing the likes. A social media expert says you can buy the likes from the open market and certain websites are selling the likes. With the increased use of social tools for business communications, social media security is more important than ever. While the benefits of social media are clear, there are risks to be wary of. According to the latest EY Global Information Security Survey, 59% of organizations had a material or significant incident in the past 12 months. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. Supreme Court issues notice to center on the allegations on Pegasus spyware. The Supreme Court issued notice to the Union government on a batch of pleas seeking an independent probe into the Pegasus snooping allegations. A bench headed by Chief Justice N.V. Ramana sought the Union's response on the pleas and said it will take up the matter after 10 days and see what course should be adopted. However, the bench said that it did not want the government to disclose anything which might compromise national security. Data breach in Pine Labs exposes 500,000 records. Pine Labs is a B2B fintech solutions company working with various financial institutions and merchants. About 500,000 records of Pine Labs, including confidential client agreements, employee data, financial reports, and other internal documents, were allegedly hacked by Black Matter ransomware group, according to Cybele Research Labs. Screenshots of the data leaked were shared on Cybele's website on August 11th. Black Matter ransomware's post showed 100 GB of data was accessed, of which 500 MB worth of data had been shared as a sample. However, Pine Lab denied the claims. Microsoft Rubrik inked deal to expand ransomware protection. Ransomware attacks are on the rise and organizations are attacked 51 times per week on average, that is 14% increase compared to the beginning of 2021. And so are ransom DDoS attacks. Millions are being paid to ransomware gangs every year. Microsoft is taking an equity stake in data management and backup firm Rubrik, and the two companies are also planning co-engineering projects for solutions built on Azure aimed at enabling enhanced data protection amid widespread ransomware attacks. Data breach in T-Mobile stole 100 million customers' personal data. The telecommunications company confirmed that there was unauthorized access to T-Mobile data, but they have not yet determined that there is any personal consumer data involved, a T-Mobile spokesperson said in an email. A hacker on an online forum claimed to be selling data of over 100 million people. The data is said to include social security numbers, phone numbers, names, physical addresses, unique IMEI numbers, and driver's licenses information, and it's also said to have come directly from T-Mobile's servers. Google launched its Pixel 5a phone with an IP67 rating and dual cameras. Pixel 5a 5G has a bigger screen with bigger battery size launched for the US and Japan markets. It is priced at roughly Rs 33,000 and there is no update whether Google would be bringing the Pixel 5a to India at the moment. Expectedly, the phone is not coming to India, just like its predecessors, the Pixel 4a 5G. The Pixel 5a 5G runs Android 11 right out of the gate and will be eligible for 3 years of guaranteed OS and security updates. It has the same dual cameras on the back, which is a combination of 12.2 MP main and 16 MP ultra wide angle camera. It also has the same 8 MP front facing camera. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Our India News magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.